In the last video, we showed how to use our HIPAA eligibility requester to make 270 EDI transactions, requesting eligibility on a member and sending it over with a real-time server using SOAP. Now we'll show you the opposite of this process and how to review all the information that has been sent. Let's start this tutorial. This is our HIPAA Real-Time Server, and we want to see what it did or how it answered a call or request. So we'll go into the database log and select today's date to see all the transactions that happened today. The last one interests me the most. I click on View Log and use MIME, which is an extension of the original Simple Mail Transport Protocol, an email protocol that lets its users exchange different kinds of data files, including audio, video, images, and application programs, over email. We see the MIME envelope data arriving here with the request. Every little step of the process is logged, and we make a compliance check on the incoming file. The compliance check has been passed, and the file has been moved to a subdirectory from which it will be processed. And that happens here. We get a member ID from the incoming request file and have a query. We found one recurred, which is good, and then we checked further. Is this the right gender? Is the birth date correct? Is the name match good? And then we get the benefits from the database from the covered benefits tables. And I find 4 individual rows of benefits. We have to expand them into separate rows for deductibles and accumulators. So these 4 benefits translate into 12 EV segments. And from the health plan that this person subscribed to, which was Tennessee PCN, we get 51 common benefits. In total, we get 108. When we add the common benefits to the individual, we consolidate this and have only 43 benefit rows. The response file will be checked for HIPAA compliance. That's done. And then the call to the eligibility responder is done. The payload goes back to the real-time server. And this is the response MIME envelope and the response file. So this is what's happening on our real-time server. The logging really gets you everything, every little detail. And if something goes wrong, this is the first place you look for errors. That is all for this video. Thank you for watching.